Hey, you lucky internet random person who's in NFTs. I hope you're listening to this guy who only has 1,000 plus amazing subscribers tell you about this project that hopefully will make your life better financially. That's it. That's what I'm saying. Again, disclaimers, not a financial expert. I'm very thankful for you UFO gamers, you Cardenians, you Cardano Croc holders, and let's go. Let's talk about this video, okay? Imagine you're in a bad spot financially, and something happens to your family, like your mom's house, and the roof is kind of broken, and you need to have this much money in order to fix that roof because of that broken roof. Added to this, it is getting colder. It's getting colder, and it is raining, and other people in the neighborhood, it's like they're getting, like, there's water that's coming into the home, like actual water that's coming into houses now, and people could get sick. And like, this is crazy, right? Now imagine that you just joined a community of wonderful people, and that all those wonderful people, someone who actually has money, enough money, buys your NFT to hold it for you as a loan because you love NFTs. This other person loved their NFT, but they had a family emergency. This person buys their NFT, and then what they do is they hold it, and this person wins it by doing a contest. And they're willing to give that NFT back when that person fixes his mom's roof and gets himself more sorted financially. That's what happened. Someone helped another person with money who needed the money to help his family. And I don't know about any other NFT project where this has happened, this kind of help. All right, sentiment aside, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why I love this project so much. It's going to make an altcoin. It's going to make a gaming altcoin, okay? That is the thing. And you need to know this, and that's why I'm into it, okay? You can look at all this other information on their Discord. I'll put a link below, but that is the big reason, right? It's going to make a gaming altcoin for add-ons, game wagers, purchasing, and so much more. Now, two things you need to know why I'm excited about this, all right? Let me recap. Sean Benson is amazing at crypto, and he understands tokenomics. So even though the tokenomics aren't out about this game in crypto, I'm willing to bet it's going to be great, okay? Do your own research, but that's what I'm betting. And the way to get this crypto to generate it is you just need to hold these NFTs. That's it. You hold the NFTs and you're going to generate this much. And I'm going to be generating with my small collection, because I'm not rich, about 2,000 of these tokens a day when this finally comes out. That's just really cool. The burn will help because the lower commons only produce 100 tokens a day. And I've got like a couple of those. So I'm going to burn my tokens to try to get hopefully another one that's higher up in the rarity. That's the goal. I want to start producing about 1,000 to 2,000 of these tokens, hopefully, because I think they'll be worth money, and there'll also be something I can do with them that I can enjoy and understand, which is gaming. All right. There's more information on how the burn's going to happen. It's going to start this Friday. They're going to have a burn every 2 weeks. So it's going to be pretty cool. All right. It's going to give people a chance to increase the rarity and the value and the earnings potential of this gaming token, of the Cardano Crocs Club gaming token. Now, right now, it was started at 60 at mint, but as you can see here, the floor is now 100 Cardano. Last night it was 89, but there's been some excitement and there's been some movement on the floor. So if you do your research and you have this much ADA to put into something, I think it might be worth it. And I think that if you consider the burning mechanic, yeah, I know that's a bit risky. You put about $400, 200 ADA into this project and you burn a croc, you might have something that's worth it, okay? Again, I want you to really think about it. Or on the safe end, if you get one of these lower crocs, you'll be producing 100 of the token a day. So, and I think overall there's a really good value proposition here for anyone who wants to get into NFTs or who are into NFTs. Now, you can check it out. You can go to the official Cardano Crocs Club. Look at the description below this video. There's our project, Cardenia City, which is only 10 ADA to get into, or 8 ADA to get into. So if you want to find out more about that, you click that link, and that is a project that I am actually working in a partnership agreement with. And I just love the Nami wallet. All right, I got to run. Literally, have a day job to go to. It's been fun. See you in the next one.